Today, a curious home scientist builds a DIY spectroscope from a CD, a black tube, and a flashlight to reveal spectra. They compare street lamps, sunlight, and LEDs to show how different light sources produce unique color fingerprints. Next, they spark a pepper mid-screen, drizzle soap on the surface, and watch tiny jets surge as surface tension breaks. A windy paper propeller demo teaches lift and Newtonian forces as air rushing past bends its blades. Finally, a simple seismoscope made with a ruler and a marble records wobble time, illustrating waves traveling through objects.